read by the Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah. My other Member of Parliament who has just come in, who I want to recognize, my friend Dindi Nyoro, the Chairman of Budget, Machogu Kwake, Your Excellency, the Permanent Secretary is here, and all of us, the teachers and the students, good morning. Your Excellency, this is a great day for Muru and Kenya because one of our remarkable institutions in this country, Your Excellency, is Muru Girls. This institution started way back by a Musungu farmer for his 4 daughters, with the 4 daughters as now a registration of 2,264 students, and it has consistently and continuously performed very well in national exams and co-curricular activities, Your Excellency. We thank them because for last year exam, Your Excellency, 2022, out of 388, all of them passed well, and Your Excellency, they are transitioning into higher education institutions of learning, 346 of them to university, and the other road, which is about 10%, to our TVET institutions, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, they are going to be the first beneficiary of the system that you launched the other day of new university funding model, which is going to ensure that those particularly from poor families, from poor backgrounds, will be able to get access to our education in our education institutions. We also thank you, Your Excellency, because of that, and also because of CPC. We assure you that we are in course. We assure you, Your Excellency, that anything that you are going to do in this school, Kimani Ichung'wah knows. When he was a young boy, courtesy of his father Ngugi, who happens to be a good friend of mine, kama hatukuweka kiboko kidogo, angekuwa hapa leo. Kwa hivyo, Your Excellency, because I'm also a resident of Kiambu, coming from very near here, a subject of Ngugi, my friend Kimani Ichung'wah, press known as Nderi, anything you say, particularly the new facility that they are starting here, is a walking distance from Nderi to here. So as your messenger, as your representative, Your Excellency, I undertake that I will be doing the supervision up to the stage that we will be able to complete that building. With those remarks, Your Excellency, sir, I now want to invite His Excellency, the Deputy President,